guys, Professor Curio here, and today I'm going to show you an AI side hustle that nobody, and I mean nobody, is talking about.
It's called AI Ads for Startups. You just need Google Veo-3 and Nano Banana to get started. Here is how to do this. I think of an ad idea, then I ask Gemini to give me more solid ideas around it.
Next, I created detailed descriptions for all characters, location, and objects in the scene. And then I asked Gemini to write scenes and video prompts one by one. Finally, I took each prompt one by one to Veo-3 and generated the scenes. However, it's not that easy, but doable. Here is how the final result looks like. It's just a sample ad.
I hope you have enjoyed this. Once you are happy with your ad, you can go to any social media like X and reach out to startups and pitch them your proposal. You can use this simple template as a guide, then customize it to make it your own. Keep repeating this and build more example ads to impress startups.
If you want the step-by-step guide to create ads, then leave a comment below and I will create a simple tutorial for this.
That's it for today. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and repost.